back to the Novatech booth, and we're here in the Downstream extrusion portion of the booth, and I'm here with Rich Vester. Rich, it says here you're the product sales manager and basically the guru on Downstream extrusion. I believe that. So,
well, thanks.
We're here with the pullers, the cutters, the saws, the combination pieces. Where do you want to start?
Let's start with the pullers.
Great.
All right. This was our original offering a few years back. It's our model NPS-HD for heavy duty. What Novatech believes in doing is taking the features that other people have as options and making them standards if we can. One of the things we did on this one is we made it dual motors, one for each belt. We also made the motors servo.
Why servo versus vectors? Are they more expensive? Aren't they more expensive?
They are more expensive, Paul, but they give you much greater accuracy.
How much greater?
Well, a standard vector motor gives you 0.5% accuracy, where the servo gives you 0.01% accuracy. So as you can see, it is much greater accuracy.
Keep going.
On this, we also have a pneumatic upper beam. It's great for rigid products. It's very easy to adjust. It's a simple button here to open it and close it. It also helps with safety. Hitting the E-stop, the beam will come up out of the way of the product and if someone was to get their hand stuck. One of the other things that we have in here is to tension the belts, we're using a pneumatic cylinder versus screws on the end of the beam. That's something that everybody else does. We also have our touchscreen control. All of our Downstream equipment utilizes a PLC and touchscreen from Siemens. This particular setup allows us to have some great features built within the machine itself in the operator screen. As you can see here, you can do a lot of things. We have recipes, which nobody else have. We have the ability also to give the customer full access to all of the setup screens in here for doing things on the machine that other people would need to send them back to the manufacturer to have changed. We offer this because the machine is also fed by an SD card.
So a simple SD card stores the program?
Yes. That also gives us ease in upgrading programs for our customers, and we do that for free.
What else do we have?
Well, we can move over to our newest offering. This is our NPS STD for standard machine. It differs from the HD in that it's using one servo motor on the lower beam, a serpentine belt to drive the upper beam. It also has a hand wheel adjusting of the beams themselves, so the advantage of this is on flexible products and small products because you can get a better feel for closing the beams.
Is that unique just to Novatech?
No, that's standard in the industry.
Okay, great.
But it also uses the air cylinders to adjust the belts.
Right.
And it has the touchscreen control.
Great. Where do you want to go from here?
How about our combination puller cutters?
Let's go.